Hi, today we are going to see about the introduction of Microsoft Word. In this video, we will be seeing about how to create a Word document, how to save it, how to check for the spell checking, and then how to open the document, how to insert a clip art. These are and also the shortcuts in the MS Word. All those information we are going to see it now. So, what is this MS Word? This MS Word will be often either it will be called as Microsoft Word or popularly known as Word. It is a graphical word processing program. It's mainly used for the user to create a document and then to save those documents. This word, MS Word, is very much similar to that of the word processor. It is helpful to create any kind of documents. So now we'll see about the document window component. Whenever by Microsoft Word, whenever you're going to open it like this, the empty screen will be available. So this button is said to be the office button. This office button, when you're clicking it, you'll be able to find the buttons like new, open, save as, recent, exit. All those buttons will be available under the office button. This is said to be the main button. Next to the office button, you'll be able to see three buttons. And this is said to be the quick access toolbar. So, what are the quick access means immediately used options such as save, redo, undo. These options will be by default, it will be stored under the quick access toolbar. Save, this is said to be the floppy disk icon that is mainly used for saving it, and this arrow is said to be for undo, and this recycle button that is said to be for undo. Whatever we have there, that once again it will be reappearing. And this whole area is said to be a ribbon. This whole area is said to be the ribbon, and the on top of the ribbon you will be able to find home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, view. All those buttons are said to be the tabs. The home tabs will have the relevant information about the font style, how to for aligning the paragraph, how if we want to find and replace, all those information will be available under the home tab. Under the insert you will be able to find inserting a clip art, inserting a table. If you want to insert a symbol, you can insert it. If you want to insert an equation, if you want to include an audio, video, everything you can do it only by using this insert tab. Under that, you'll be able to find a relevant uh, icon, and using that, you'll be able to use appropriate uh, items. So this is said to be the number with the regular interval. This is said to be, this is a horizontal rule bar and this is a vertical rule bar. So this is said to be the rulers. And this area where you are typing the document, that is said to be the text area. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to find buttons, and that is said to be the view button. How do you want the page to be viewed when you're typing it? Whether you want to see it in a print mode, whether you want to see it in a full screen, or otherwise you want to see it in a web page mode, or you want to see it in an outline, that can be done by using these buttons. So this button is said to be the view buttons. Now we are going to see about creating an documents. Before going that, inside the creating the document, you should know what is this. New means you are going to create new document. Open means already the document is being created. Now you are going to open it. There are two things. One is save and save as. Save is nothing but the fresh copy. Whatever you are doing it, you are saving it only once. Save as is nothing but it is copying It's a copying file. Already the document is there. You are duplicating it with another document. Then that is said to be save as. You can select by you can select it. You can delete the content. You can insert some content also. You can copy the content. You can paste it. You can cut the content. You can place it wherever you want. And some of the shortcuts here is home means it will go to the first page in the Word document. If you are going to press the end button, what will happen? No, that will go to the end page. These buttons will be available in your keyboard itself. Home, end. Page up means it will go to the previous page. Page down means it will go to the next page. Another keyboard shortcuts will be Control S is used for saving. Control O is to open the document. Control N is for creating a new document. So now we are going to see about how to create a new document. First, you have to press this office button. Once you press this office button, it will list the options available under the office button. So now we are going to create a new document. So you have to press which button? New button. This is said to be the new. And then if you are going to click it, automatically it will, okay. So now I have clicked on the new button. So using that, we'll be able to create a new document and the shortcut will be Control N. So once you click on the new button, automatically it will show you with blank document, or if you have it is installed with another documents also, that will be shown. So now I need a blank document. Always we'll go with the blank document. After clicking on the blank document, you have to press the button create button, which is present here. You have to click on the create button. So now it will open up an empty page. There you have to type your document. After typing the document, you will be able to find with red color underline or otherwise with the green color underline. Green color underline means no need to check only some small space problem, something like that, only minor problem alone will be there. If it is with the red color underline, see here you have got red color underline for this one and for this one also. Kilometer there is a problem and Indianism. Instead of Hinduism, it has become Indianism. So this too has a problem. So for that, what you have to do is you place that kilometer. If your particular word is underlined with the red color, underline is there means you have to click with the. You have to select that particular word and give the right click. And when you give the right click, this dialog box will become. Here you will be able to find the spelling. When you click the spelling, automatically that spelling dialog box will open, and wherever that word is wrong, that will be given with the red color denotion that that particular word is wrong. And for that particular word, the suggestions will be given at the bottom, given over here. So whichever the particular word is apt, that you have to select it and then you have to give change. Change means this particular word alone will be made as a change. When you're going to give change all, the wherever the kilometer you have made a mistake, there and all the changes will be applied. Okay, that is the difference. Now, after doing the correction, now you want to save it. So once again you have to press what the on the office button, and then you have to press the button save. So this another way of doing is Control S. When you click on the Control S, automatically like this one dialog box will be opened up. Okay, by default it will be there in Windows 2003 document. You have to if it is not there, you have to select that one, and then you have to give the file name. After that, what you have to do, once the file name is being given, you have to give the save. You have to select the location where you want to save it and then give the save button. Ah, now, now this file is already being saved. Okay, now you want to create a duplicate copy. So for that, once again, you have to go to the office button. There it will pop up with the save as button. So when you're clicking in the save as, you have to give a new file name, and then you have to save it. So now you will have the two file with the same content with the different name. Now this file is being saved. Now you want to open that particular document. So once again, you have to go to the office button, and there you will be able to find a button called open. If you are going to click that, automatically the open dialog box will appear. Here you have to go to that particular folder where that file is being present. You have to select that file, and then you have to click open. Automatically that particular file will be opened up. Some of the editing features of this MS Word is equipped with many features that allow the user to easily modify a document. And some of the shortcuts are Control X is for cut, Control C is used for copying. Copying means if I'm going to, if I have, first I have to select the content, then I have to give Control C, and wherever I want, I'll go to the particular place, and then if I want to paste it, I have to press Ctrl V. Whatever I have selected and copied, those information will be placed in another location. If I'm going to use Control X, for that I'll select that document, select that content, and then if I'm going to give Control X, the selected content alone will be removed, and we'll go to the particular place where we want to keep the document, keep the content. There I'll go, and then I will be giving Control X. So the cut content will be placed over there. Control F is used to find a particular word in a file. Now, if you want to insert a clip art, okay, if you want to insert a clip art, you have to go to the insert option, and then you have to select the clip art. See, are you able to find the under the insert the table picture? If you want to insert the, if you want to draw the flow chart, you can use the shapes, and here you will be able to find a symbol. If you want to insert a omega, then delta, theta, all those information will be available under your symbol. And suppose if you are going to type an equation, that time you have to select an equation. So these are the information that will be available under the insert tab. So now I want to insert a clip art. So I'll select it. Automatically this pane will come up. This is said to be the clip art pane. Here we have a search for. There you have to type the name of the file you are searching for. And then if you are going to give go, automatically it will show me the list of the clip art that we are searching for, the particular file will be listed out. In that, either you can double click on that particular item. When you're clicking on that particular image, or double click if you're going to give, automatically what happens, that image will be inserted here. And then what you can do, you can resize it. Okay, so this is about the clip art.